Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into AMD's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss AMD's performance, especially given their impressive results this quarter.
Absolutely. AMD has been a key player in the semiconductor industry, and their recent report has certainly caught our attention. Let's delve into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AMD reported a net revenue of $6.8 billion for the third quarter of 2024, which is an 18% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by higher sales of their EPYC and Instinct data center products, as well as robust demand for Ryzen PC processors. This has also led to a significant improvement in their gross margin, which stands at 50% on a GAAP basis and 54% on a non-GAAP basis.
And what about their profitability?
AMD's net income for the quarter was $771 million on a GAAP basis and $1.5 billion on a non-GAAP basis. Their diluted earnings per share were 47 GAAP and 92 cents non-GAAP, reflecting strong operational performance and cost management.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's talk about AMD's segment performance. The data center segment seems to be a standout. What are your thoughts?
The data center segment indeed reported record revenue of $5 billion, up 22% year over year. This growth is largely due to the strong ramp-up of AMD Instinct GPU shipments and increased sales of EPYC CPUs. The client segment also performed well, with revenue of $1.9 billion, up 29% year over year, driven by the demand for Ryzen processors.
However, the gaming segment seems to have faced some challenges.
That's correct. Gaming revenue was down 69% year over year, primarily due to a decrease in semi-custom revenue. On the other hand, the embedded segment saw a sequential increase in revenue, reaching $927 million, as demand improved in several end markets.
Leadership insights and future outlook. AMD's leadership has provided some insights into their future outlook. What did Dr. Lisa Su and Jean Hu have to say?
Dr. Lisa Su, AMD's chair and CEO, highlighted the significant growth opportunities across their data center, client, and embedded businesses, driven by the increasing demand for compute power. Jean Hu, the CFO, mentioned that AMD is on track to deliver record annual revenue for 2024, thanks to the growth in their data center and client segments.
And what about their guidance for the next quarter?
For the fourth quarter of 2024, AMD expects revenue to be approximately $7.5 billion, with a non-GAAP gross margin of around 54%. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and operational efficiency.
Key takeaways. In summary, AMD has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with significant growth in revenue and profitability, particularly in their data center segment. Their guidance for the next quarter also looks promising. John, any final thoughts on AMD's investment prospects?
AMD's strategic focus on data center and AI capabilities, along with their robust product portfolio, positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in these areas.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AMD's performance in the comments below. Until next time.